All right, I used this yesterday and it worked okay. But I want to show you how it works. You just plug it in right here and it works okay. It is not that strong. It's not that strong. It just sweeps up. I left a little mess right there. Kind of show you. Not that loud too. But it just sweeps stuff up. See that? Not too bad. Maybe not as strong as I'd like it to be. But, nope, shoot. You can see the Brussels turning in there, and it just sweeps it up into some mechanism inside this thing. But there it is. It's just okay. It's not heavy duty at all. It's just okay. It is $35. You basically get what you pay for. Hopefully I won't have to get another one. I doubt it, but we'll see. Thanks, guys.